その服を出したんですね。でその時目を開けたんですと、初めに。でその目を開けて、その目でドリョダンを見た時、ドリョダンの体が石のように体になったんですよね。でその体がどんな武器とかでも殺さないぐらいの体になりました。
So the message here is Gandhari, human being, mother, having so much compassion for her son, who is a chaste and devoted mother. If she could have so much potency on her glance, just by glancing on the body of her son, the body of the son became invincible. What kind of power, what kind of potency Supreme Personality of Godhead has in his eyes when you are coming and bringing your body before him? What is going to happen to this body? Can you imagine?
ガンダリが人間としてでしたね。でもガンダリさえがそのぐらい力を持ってましたね、自分の目に。だからその面で見てください。クリシュナが全ての世界のエネルギーとか力を持ってるんですので、私たちがお寺に来るだけで、クリシュナが私たちを見るとどのぐらい恩恵がもらえますね。どんな結果になりますかね。
If you bring your body before Krishna, your body will be invincible to the attack of the mind.
自分の体をクリシュナの前に持ってきたらね、クリシュナの慈悲でうつ世界から海洋とか現実世界
As you come and offer your obeisances to the deity, immediately all the sins that have been accumulated like mountains are immediately eradicated.
自分の体を持ってきて、お寺に来て、クリシュナの前にダンダウトすると、それだけで今までの人生で行ったすべての慈悲深い活動から解放になります。
Why are you telling this? Right?
なんでこれを話してるんですか？
Well, since you are coming here, you should know that you can come only one day to the temple. Why don't you keep deity at home? So that every day you get the opportunity to serve him, to get his glance. Not only you, all your family members, they will get the benefit. And anyone, even if they are non-devotee, they come before him. For Krishna doesn't matter. Anyone comes. Because he's all loving person. He's the most compassionate one. And that to speak of our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When it comes to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his compassion has no limit. There is no boundary. This Supreme Lord, he came and what did he do? He gave up his life for conditioned souls. Okay, sorry.
だから週に1回こっちに来る、それが一つですけど。
Anyway, I was thinking to narrate one more pastime from him. I will not go for that because we kind of narrate for you. What I want to tell you is that definitely you can know about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu more from our local devotees. So Mahaprabhu has come to help all of us become purified of our material contaminations and attain the real success in this lifetime that you are very much looking forward to.
もちろんチャイタニャマハプラブについてここにいる献身
Mahaprabhu is everybody should chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
このマントラを唱えるのはチャイタニャマハプラブが一番大切な教えです。
You know, just last message, I think I need to tell this to you because I said to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. When Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur, they were preaching, they were spreading this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, chanting the street of Navadvip, they came across two drunkards. And when Nityananda Prabhu, he saw this drunkard, he was thinking, this man is so sinful. Anyone who sees him, immediately after that they feel like, they take bath in Ganga because they become so polluted just by seeing such a sinful person. Just by seeing him, Nityananda Prabhu immediately he decided, he said, This man is so simple. People after taking his darshan, they take bath in Ganga. I will make him so pure, so that people after seeing him, they will automatically get the benefit of taking bath in Ganga.
それ私は話ですけど、似たようなことがありだしたというか、街にね、いつもプリーチングしてたんですよね。で、そこですごい酔っ払いの人がいっぱいあったんですよね。で、
Thinking to benefit himself and benefit others. Everybody is thinking to benefit himself and benefit the others.
みんな考えてるのは自分と他の人たちをいいことをすると思って考えてるんですね。
So learn from this pastime. Because this drunkard, they chanted Hare Krishna Mahamantra. This was the message of Nityananda Prabhu, that if they can chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then anyone who sees them, they will get the benefit of taking bath in Ganga.
で、そういうふうな意で、ニタドタプラブの自由ですけど、ハレクリシナマントラを唱えている人を見るだけで、他の人たちが浄化されます。
So we are not asking you to just follow some religious principles that dharma bhai karo, Muslim karta hai, Hindu bhi karo, Christian लोग भी कुछ करते रहते हैं कि इसको भी धर्म, ये धर्म नहीं है भाई. This is not a religious practice that we are asking you. This is the This is the science. Everybody need to practice. And I just gave you the Supreme Lord. He said, if you chant, you can benefit to yourself. Anyone who sees you, you will also benefit them of taking a deep in Dhamma.
だからみんなに教えたいのはこのイスコンとかね、ここで唱えてください、そういうふうに教えてるんですけど、それの理由は一般的にみんなムスリム教とかクリスチャン教でやってるので同じようにやってください、その話じゃなくて、これが一番大切とか源になっているダルマですね、私たちの。それが私たちがチャンティングすると、私たちを見て他の人が浄化される。
So we have a lot of seminars, a lot of talks on chanting. Definitely we are not going to speak. But what I wanted to tell you, I am here just for 3 days. So I wanted to encourage you so that you can take the process of chanting, so that you can get the real benefit of human life.
で、私がここで3日間しかいないんですけど、
Take the process of chanting
でこのチャンティングの方法を受けて、
and make your life successful.
でそれで人生が成功になります。
Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare